Hey, this is Mo here, and we are in one of the tiny homes that we're gonna put some fiber into it. So these are really nice, and we decide that we're gonna put this thing move. We're gonna move this TV out. Actually, we cannot use this plug. So we're gonna have to use this one. The plug here. So this is the plug we're gonna use to install a GPON and a Wi-Fi access point in here. Have them ready. So when somebody rent this tiny home or mobile home or something is ready, all they're gonna need to call us, and then we'll activate the account. So we're gonna go through the whole install. We have the fiber in the back. We're just gonna make a patch cable that goes inside, install it to the GPON, program everything, and get it set and ready. It's gonna be quite a long video. Alright, let's do it. Alright, this is the back of the building here. I think we talked about these before, but we're gonna use the first one, which is this one. We're gonna make a patch cable that goes all the way inside. We're gonna make a hole, and then from there we'll do the GPON. And so let's get the cable and do some measures. Alright, so we use this is stud finder, whatever, and electric finder too. We make sure that there's nothing in there. So we drill the hole, not a big of a hole, it's a decent size. Okay, make sure that the hole come out the other side. So this is where our fiber patch is going to go in. Let me go ahead and check the other side. Alright, as we can see here, we get the hole situated. We have this little tiny nice cover in there. This is our fishing pole. And then we're going to go to the other side, tape the patch cable, and just bring it all the way here. So we are here at the other end. Let me get my hands up. I'm going to thread this in. For some reason this is worked perfect to be threaded inside. This is single mode, single string fiber with a stainless steel rod in it. Let me do it, and then we'll see if we'll pull up the other way. Alright, thread is done. This is really strong. They fit. It's like they made for each other's. Now I'm gonna go inside and pull this one out. Alright, so we thread the other side, and now all we have to do is try to pull this side slowly, and here we go. This is our cable. Great. So this is our fiber patch. We're gonna go straight it outside, and then we're gonna terminate both ends, and we should be able to hook up the GPON and get things rolling. Alrighty, so we're back in here. It's not light. Let's see if we can get some sunshine in here. In the sunshine state, here we go. We get some light. Alright, let me thread this. Done. And grab some tools, and we should be ready to rock and roll. So I need a cutter, some tape. All right. We're not gonna do any splicing in here. We're just gonna do some quick connections. And so for that, okay. All right. There's a little instruction here, which is basically how we measure and get that connector ready. All right. It's hot. There is no air. There's no power. I'm gonna use this GPON for now. All right. So we'll see how these gonna work. I know they work, but we have a different way of providing Wi-Fi. So some of them, they come with a Wi-Fi 6, but again, budgeting is very important for us. So we have a different alternative, and it seems to work. All right. Let's get this one split in here. First, we're gonna put our eyeballs. So we're gonna split it. Maybe yeah, a little bit more. There you go. It should work. Got it. And then let's put the connector on. Took the cladding and everything. That's perfect. All right, maybe it has extra adjustment to it. That actually works out great. Let's see if it did. Yeah, right to the fiber, straight. So. Let's make sure we get this one correct. See, there's no light to see in here. Boy, it's dark. Alright, this end is done here. Let me go ahead and put the other side. And then after that, we should be able to roll it nice and neat around the GPON, and yeah, about that. And then all right, let me go test the other side. Actually, not test it, but connect it, and then we'll do some testing. And I'll put the power meter here. I know it has to be the blue connector, but that's okay. I know what to expect as a result. So it's just to make sure that everything is going okay. There you go. I'll turn it on. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, terminate the other side, plug it in, and then have the reading. There you go. Hey everyone, this is Mo. We are here in one of the RV parks / mobile homes that we worked on it. We just set this for the client. There's our Jeep on here. That is where the cable's coming from. And that's the PoE, the power for the Jeep on. And that cable is going straight to my computer. We're gonna install an access point later on top. Let's do a speed test and see. So we're here to put on speed test. 9 millisecond ping. All the way at 500. And the upload should be in the 300s. There you go. We're done with the first one. Let's move to the next one.